are you today? This is Mr. Rat Rod. This is my 53 Bel Air. It's got a 350 in it. It's got a 81 Camaro ass end, posi tracked. It's an old camper motor. Threw into it and still trying to identify the transmission, but I will figure it out eventually. Got a suicide shift. Oh, I gotta realign the starter. Alright. That's what I was doing, was aligning the starter. I'm gonna have to eventually pull this motor out and put another one into it. So I'll be doing videos on that anyway. Alright, give me a minute. Oh, okay, here we are again. I just finished crawling underneath and realigning the starter on this. Whacks out every so often and just grinds. Gonna have to pull the motor. Hasn't been running in a while. As I said, it's got an 81 Camaro rear end I put into it, a posi track. The drive shaft's a Tahoe out of a GM. The motor and transmission were out of a camper. It's a 350 1974. And the transmission I never got to identify. I thought it was a turbo 350. It isn't. Just haven't got to it. And the starter always whacks out and starts to grind the flex plate in it, so I'm eventually going to have to pull it. I'll fix her all up. It was yellow, black now. I'm going to be doing all the interior in it. Only 2 seats at the front. No seats at the back. Used to have seats, but took them all out. Fuel tank is a Mazda Miata. The lights all light up on the dash. Most of the gauges work. It's in miles per hour. The oil pressure's out. The fuel is out. The DC is working. RPM gauge. Got oil, extra oil down here. Water temperature. But as I said, I'm going to eventually pull the motor. Got my big foot there. suicide shifter. It's a 3-speed. My old Pontiac Chieftain head there inside of a Bel Air. Yeah, she's a rat rod. The visor, it's up on the porch. Could show you underneath. Running the original drum brakes on the front, original cylinder. Few things to be done to it still. There's my truck. Over and out. That's my 53 Bel Air. If you like, subscribe and like.